Hi, Beth Ridley here. As you know, I'm participating in the 88.9 Radio Milwaukee Fall Ball karaoke competition, and I need a lot of help, so I've been assembling a Glam Squad to help prepare me. And I put a call out to all No Studio members who have any type of artistic talent at all, and the first person to respond was Ruth Shlimovitz, and she said, I can give you a lot of energy, enthusiasm, moral support, and help me pick out a song or at least narrow down my options.
I am thrilled to be here. This is so exciting for me.
And I love your enthusiasm. And I was like, she is the right person to help amp up my energy and enthusiasm, because I'll admit I'm kind of nervous.
And rightly so.
Yeah. Well, thank you. That went a long way to really help.
No, I mean to be in front of people when, you're being...
All right, so where do we start? Should we just kind of start on the, what advice do you have just in terms of like showing up for me?
Just maybe on the choreography and the song, and then it'll all fit together and it'll be a great success.
All right, so I got to work on choreography and the songs. Should we dive into maybe advice around the type of song I should select? There's probably like 150 songs that I can choose from. It's a live band karaoke, so they can't do every song in the world because they have to be able to practice. But this is a pretty exhaustive list. So I don't know, any thoughts on how do I narrow it down? What should I be looking for when I select a song?
I think it should be relevant to the studio, relevant to our community, relevant to the mix in our community, and fun to listen to, although there probably are many that fit that description. But and maybe ask the general population what they think would be the best.
That's a good idea. So put it out to the community and maybe have folks vote on which song would be a good fit for me.
That is great.
I like that idea.
That's a
really good idea. All right, so I'm going to have you all help me select the song. And I think I heard you say, put the music and the choreography together and bring a lot of enthusiasm, and I should be okay.
You should be excellent.
All right. Okay, so Ruth, thank you so much for all of the advice on karaoke, but I actually have another question that I wanted to ask you. I love your energy and your enthusiasm, and so tell me, what is the secret to having that type of character and personality through your life? Because I feel like you really exude that, and I want to learn from you.
Thank you. I feel as though as I age, I get more enthusiastic, and I try to educate myself on issues. You can't possibly grow without informing yourself and becoming educated, and I think that keeps you young. When you get involved in what's happening currently and understand what all the real issues are, you stay young.
So I'm going to apply that to my life as well, because I want to be just like you, Ruth.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.